did. Slight but not age. We could be filming at anything. Hi guys. Newcastle vlog. £4. Two singles. What? Off-peak day return. Aye.
These machines aren't as easy as the ones in Scotland.
Scotland? That's for 9. Durham. Off to Durham to see the Harry Potter attractions.
Time on your side that will never end. The most beautiful thing you can ever spend. But you work in a shirt with your name tag on it, drifting apart like a plate tectonic.
I've been here 3 times and I've never seen it.
Enjoy your visit. Of course you can.
Where from? We Scots, you know, the force damage in the past. Sorry, sir.
3 times I've been here and I've not seen it.
Harry Potter?
Other side is the nose spot. Old glasses. Oh, your pure Harry Potter ones. Running on the ground in Durham. Durham Cathedral.
Which
Harry
is
Potter.
where they found some Harry Potter.
Extraordinaire.
Recognisable though, those bits.
Aye, these, yeah, you can, but I can't actually remember any scenes that.
Mr. Malfoy. I think you do, sir.
Yeah, like they're walking. I'm going to show you when we get back.
Makes the skin look good. Recognise it, but I can't envisage a scene. Getting some looks here.
Are we?
Nah. Crab signal, innit? Durham.
At Durham? Oh, there it is. Wait.
Aye. No, that's a nice spot, isn't it? That's a wrap.
Harry Potter before that. Then I've been in the studio twice. Now I'm actually on set.
So I just kind of walk around and see surroundings. Don't sound so. Oh. Testing. Now I'm so unfit. Average rate. Oh, that's insulting. Right.
How much it increases may also indicate your degree of physical fitness. 81.
Oh, you're better than me, mate.
Oh, I'm fitter.
Wow.
Actually told.
That's that gym membership. Yeah, there's 2 points for the headband. Mate, you're actually getting some bargains here.
We are so extra.
You can't.
Can't give a shit.
You can't afford to give one. Nice.
FaceTime video. Look at my phone next, by the way.
Skippity doo dah.
Running. Look.
Just doing our best.
Filmmakers.
I know, my God, I can't believe it. I've never been this far away from her.
Right, I've only listened to it once. Right, I've only listened to it once, the full album, but, so I can't say, but it just sounds to me like Ariana Grande. What else can you say? So thank you next 7 Rings, and the other 2 main ones for the new. Thank you next was really good. 7 Rings. Sorry. Shade.
Shite.
Shade.
Don't run back. Don't run back. I'm just checking the
Easy done.
Far away from her.
Old folk. Right, pots are for fry, was it? Nice.
Alone and rolling slut.
Right, explain the process to me.
What we need, we're making salt and chili chicken.
I'm just getting all the shit we need. So, this will probably just hope that it all comes together as in timing wise. Smell that? It smells like curry. But you know what, see, because of so much spices, it's actually not too bad. Coating of everything on there. Smells decent, I have to say. Mate, I'll be eating in a minute.
Pull your mans down. Who told you come around? Who? It's that trap sound. Designer, clothes, fashion, shows, trap, house, made it, gold. Control the bag now. No need to brag now. No need. And put the mask down. We living fast now. Finest, rose, we can go. Keep watching me with I get money, turn no vision through my third eye. Money, young that skillet, watch me flip it like it's Five Guys. Black and white pilgrim, check out the ceiling, look at the blue sky. I keep a check, yeah. Boogers, they sit on my lip. I don't regret, yeah. I'm petting, I don't got a debt. You crawl for you ball, you can't ball every week. All my dogs on the wall, we gon' ball when you free.
Mate, we are chefs. We're making a dish.
Just try one bit, right? Just to see.
No. Is that going you?
Oh, you bet!
Fucking hell.
That is danger.
I thought that was just a tear.
Dusting. Living it.
Oh my god, don't hang up, don't hang up, don't hang up. Yeah, I'll just come down.
In the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like a stir fry. Whip it.
So thin. Isn't it?
Piss thin.
That's the piss sauce.
That is also very, very pale fried rice.
Very pale.
It's not got enough soy sauce.
Nah, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, yeah, you're right.
Thin. Mate, no, look at the movement on this, right? That's not right. Because see, if there was no noodles, imagine the colour. It's whale, it's white, it's pale. Mate. As a final word, right, on the Chinese, do you get where I'm coming from when I say that the Chinese in Newcastle is rotten? That was a good one, can I say that? When I came down here on the very first night of my flat, I was like, yes, I'll get a Chinese. Ordered it, and it was like, just rotten. So every time since then I've tried a new one thinking, oh, that must have just been a bad Chinese or whatever. Every time I've got a new one it's been the same. No exception tonight. I mean, certain things, an unforgivable consistency. That's meant to be satay sauce, not soup. Not gravy. Gravy's even thicker than that. Pale rice. Pale. Big orange bits of egg with white rice. It's just boiled rice with eggs in it. It's the thought of that was like $2.50. That sauce. Do you know what I mean? Piss thin. And I have no remorse in saying that. Like, that's up to there. So the rest of that's coconut. Gave myself a bit too much there, I think.
Wait, what the f*** shit to do?
Where were my keys?
You must have been loving him. Day 2.
Our God's love, higher than a mountain top.
And a mighty fire. I'm going to Usborne Farm. Oh. That's cute. No, that's cute. Cabbage. I don't like it. I like them.
South America.
That dog on the train yesterday was really nice. It was refreshing. It was alcoholic. I like it.
Remember these snappy things? The bacon?
What did we even do yesterday? Boom, boom, boom.
Waking up diagonal like an animal in a cold and empty bed.